Senior BJP leader and Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed election rallies today at Ambassa and Udaipur in Tripura. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate the year-long celebration commemorating 200th birth anniversary of Maharishi Dayanand Saraswati at Indira Gandhi Indoor Stadium, Delhi tomorrow. Union Home Minister Amit Shah today laid emphasis on the police technology mission, which is aimed at making internal security strong. He addressed the 74th RR batch of IPS probationers at the passing out parade at Hyderabad. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on Saturday said the new tax regime will benefit the middle class as it will leave more money in their hands. India defeated Australia by an innings and 132 runs on the third day of the opening test at Nagpur on Saturday. Azhar Patel hit a resolute 84 while Mohammad Shami smashed an entertaining 37 as India took a massive 223-run first innings lead by posting 400.